Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ritu and I make content related to beauty, DIY, skincare, fashion and hauls. In case you want to stick around, please make sure that you click on the subscribe button given below. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing my skin moisturization routine with you all. Now, it is a very popular myth, like if your skin is oily, you do not need moisturization, but all skin type needs moisturization, guys. Now, it has been a long time since I was searching for a moisturizer which helps in making my skin supple and soft and still keep it non-oily, and my search finally ended on Requil moisturizers. The part about this brand is, guys, they have moisturizer for every skin type and concern. Now I will be talking about one of my favorites. So guys, without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in and I will be talking about skin moisturization in winter season in detail now. So my skin type is normal, guys, and my favorite moisturizer from the brand is gonna be oil-free moisturizer. Now this is a very lightweight formula. It gets quickly absorbed in your skin and give you beautiful, soft and supple skin in the winters, and it helps in providing adequate hydration to the skin. And the best part is, guys, it doesn't give you that shine on the face and it doesn't make your skin oily, which I absolutely love about this moisturizer. Now let me tell you how I use it. I take a piece size and apply it all over my skin. In the morning, I make sure that I follow it up with a sunscreen, but in the evening I just apply it, and in the morning I wake up with beautiful, supple and glowing skin. It helps in providing the adequate moisturization and hydration to the skin, which also helps in repairing your skin overnight. So guys, the next moisturizer that I'm going to be talking about here is going to be for people who have oily and acne prone skin, and this one is going to be Requil Oil-Free Mattifying Moisturizer. Now this one helps in reducing the size of your pores. It doesn't give you that shiny, glossy look on the face. So when you apply it, it is going to give you that beautiful mattifying finish. It helps in moisturizing your skin, provide the adequate hydration to the skin as well, which is going to make you feel confident throughout the day without clogging your pores or weighing your skin down. Now, it is a myth, guys, that if you have oily skin and if you have acne prone skin, you do not require the dose of hydration. But believe me, it is necessary for all the skin type to have that adequate moisturization on the skin, because it helps in healing your skin, it helps in preventing aging, and also helps in enhancing the health of your skin. Now this one also has Sidona leaf extract, which helps in calming your skin's irritation or redness, so it is gonna be a win-win. Now guys, for the people out there who has extremely sensitive and itchy skin, I recommend you guys to go for Requil Atop Barrier Cream. Now this one consists of ceramides, it has shea butter and meadowsesoside prebiotics. It helps in treating the itchy, inflamed skin. It has shea butter, which helps in providing you smooth skin and also helps in calming down any kind of inflammation that you have your face due to the excessive dryness. It creates an artificial skin barrier, and the ceramides contained in the cream helps in calming your skin down, and it has properties which heals the dry and itchy skin. Now it is going to be very easy to use as well. In the morning when you wash your face, just take a pea size, apply it all over your face and follow it up with a good sunscreen. It is going to provide your skin that adequate moisturization and hydration. It will also help in treating your skin, making it more smoother. It will also help in calming down the inflammation. Now guys, the last one is going to be for people out there who has extremely dry skin. For you people, I will highly recommend to go for Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. Now this one has Ceramide 3, which helps in strengthening your natural skin lipid barrier, and it also consists of hyaluronic acid, which is a moisture magnet. It also has mango butter, which helps in providing you relief from itchy and inflamed skin. So yes, with that, we are going to be wrapping up today's video. I hope that you find the video helpful. Now, my search has finally ended on Requil moisturizers. I believe that they have moisturizers for every skin type and every skin concern. I have covered it all for you. Make sure that you check out the link in the description box below, and believe me, you guys are not going to be disappointed at all. I will see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.